not good morning. Thought this morning was gonna be a good morning. I woke up on a really good note at 8:30 in the morning, despite the fact that I went to bed at 3 a.m. But I'm highly suspicious that this place has bed bugs. These are the bites on my arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's more on my other arm. There's 2 on my left leg. My dad and my sister are still asleep. I'm gonna wait for my sister to wake up to like look under the bed and see if I can like find any proof of them. Anyways, I'm still in Paris, eating breakfast on my terrace. I did not mean to rhyme, but. And by breakfast, I mean a boiled egg and a baby bell cheese and my little homemade cappuccino. So apparently, I'm the only one with bug bites all over me. There's none on my dad and none on my sister, so I don't know. Maybe I picked one up on the subway and it was like crawling in my jacket or something. I don't know, but we're putting the sheets and my pillowcase in the dryer because it's gonna make me feel better. Now I'm just gonna get dressed for the day. First croissant of the trip. Dad just went and got coffee and a croissant for us. I just don't really get the hype because it's just like straight up bread.
But it's like a good texture.
It's a good bread, but I'm not really a bread person though. If it was filled with chocolate, wow. This is today's look. Going with braids because Gabby put braids in her hair and I thought they were cute, so I copied her. These are the accessories, skirt that I made, these shoes with some little lace socks peeking out. Headed to our first stop of the day, the National Library of Paris. There's so many stairs on this building. We're all very low energy today. Taking a break halfway up. I have no idea which entrance we're supposed to go in, but we'll figure it out. We're here, water here, entrance over there. But first, they have a little dollhouse version of what it looks like. And we were just over here, and then we walked over here. Look how little people are. So that was a bust. Could not find any of the rooms that we wanted to see, so we're gonna go somewhere else. Another flop. We were gonna go into the city hall today, but I guess there's
The mayor is addressing homelessness.
One of the things I did really want to do today was walk by the Seine and look at the little booths of shops. So at least this is gonna work out. I had a couple other things planned to go see today too, but the first 2 things already didn't work out, so I give up. And we're just gonna let the universe take us where it may. Did I just hit the jackpot? Is this like vintage lace from Paris? These look perfect for my clothing brand.
€10, is that a good price for this?
This is not more lace. Yes, I do. I always need more lace. You wouldn't say that if you really loved me.
Look how cool that is.
That is really pretty. You have to show it. It's like a Beauty and the Beast print. Some velvet ribbon. Oh my god, this one's really pretty. This is so like delicate and little. Oh, this one's so pretty too. Whoa. I'm halfway through the bucket of lace. This one I want to get for sure. And I think this one, I might just get these two. No, I just found more. There are so many pretty ones. How am I supposed to decide? Oh my god, look at those little baby shoes. Another baby shoes. Ooh, that's really pretty. There's even more underneath. There's these really beautiful doilies. That is gorgeous. There's 2 of these. I don't really know what these are. If they're like a belt or a collar, but I kind of want to get one of them. I'm obsessed with these little appliques. I don't know what I'll use them for, but I know I'll find a purpose for them somewhere. And then this little piece is really pretty because it's got these sequins. That's terrifying.
Oh, I really like that one.
Oh my god, that just gave me shivers. These magnets are so cute.
I gotta see the tooth surgery. This one was gross. Ugh. This one's really gross.
Ew, ew,
this
ew,
is
ew,
a
ew,
tooth
ew,
surgery.
ew. think I'm gonna get this one for my boyfriend who's obsessed with Spider-Man. These purses are so cute. Look how pretty. I love this one. Are you guys done? They're so cute. I want to try a bite of this and a little shot of espresso. How's your croissant? We found this random art gallery that's just open to the public for free. And each level of the stairs has a different artist. At least that's what it looks like. I don't speak French, so this is all to the best of my guessing ability. What color is your soul?
I don't know.
Dark.
That is really cool. Is this made with wire or that one is super cool? Here's the artist. This butterfly one's so pretty. This place is a maze of art. Oh my god, is that hand carved? Probably. That's amazing. This is the artist. This is like a fun house, but art. What am I looking at right now? Dad, would you wear these? Why not? This room scares me a little bit. Ah. This is my type of place. There's so many metro tickets in here.
Thank you so much.
More metro tickets. I think this is my favorite staircase wall. Wait, that's really pretty. Go back. The light is hitting your face like really good. Yeah, this is the name of the art gallery. And here's the sign with the hours. Highly recommend, that was really cool.
Find some hot water.
But like if the thing is
Kiss me hard before you go. Olivia.
Lana Del Rey's Summertime Sadness.
Why is my camera like zooming in and out on its own?
Is it?
It was, yeah. Ready?
Une hôtesse est demandée en caisse. Merci.
Dad. They're playing Lana Del Rey in this grocery store right now. He does not care. Just took a shower. We're about to go on our haunted nighttime walking tour. This is the look tonight. My business casual pants again. My wolf t-shirt because I felt like it was on brand for the hauntedness. And some cross earrings to protect me from the demons. Guys, are you excited to meet the ghosties?
Yeah.
850 years old. Took a long time to build, nearly 200 years. As you can imagine, it was a lot of hard work. Up to 80,000 people per month would visit the morgue to look at dead bodies, sometimes just for fun. It was free to go inside. The hospital on the island, full of patients. They had rent space in buildings all over to house extra patients. One of the buildings they rented in is one to your left. In the ages of 8 and 12, they all had tuberculosis. January of 1910, the Seine River rose to a record height, more than 28 feet above normal. The staff of the hospital nearby, they were saving their patients there. They allowed all 27 children to drown in the basement of this building. Some of the estimates from the time believe it could have been more than 200 people killed, chopped up, baked in pies, and sold to hungry Parisians. They couldn't prove any of the other murders, though. People had already eaten all of them.
Apparently this is one of the most Instagrammed restaurants in the city of Paris.
Yeah, if any place is going to have ghosts, an old hospital's got to, statistically speaking.
Ooh, it's really spooky in there. Turn, show the look, do a little spin, yeah.
Just be thankful we're not in a group that big.
They're still coming. It's like little. Look at that.
I feel like the live music playing in the background is really adding to the vibes.
What is going on here?
It's a very special night for you guys. Sunset, I got the music. The largest tour group in the world, Guinness World Records going by. Yes.
I walked up and I was like, oh my god, so Ratatouille. And then he shows me this.
That marks the exact spot where the king was assassinated. The worst crime you could ever commit is killing the king. So they sentenced him to death. They splashed hot oil all over his body, badly burning it. They spent hours cutting hundreds of cuts, and they filled every single one with molten lead. The reason why we end here, this was once the location of the most infamous cemetery in Parisian history, the Cemetery of the Innocents. This was also the cemetery where they buried unbaptized children, criminals, prostitutes.
This is our dinner. We got Gabby pasta with just butter. The waiter's so nice. Dad got a French burger, is that what it was? And I got French onion soup. Guys, thumbs up or thumbs down on the tour? We're back. That walking tour was one of the most fun ones I've ever been on. He was really good at—
I had such a good vibe.
Yeah, he was really good at storytelling, but like also the stories were fun, and he also gave us— did he give us 1 or 2 bonus stories that weren't originally part of his tour just because— 2, just because someone asked a question. Super friendly, super helpful, and then he also helped us figure out how we're gonna do our train ride to Versailles tomorrow because I was really scared about that. So if you're looking for a cool walking tour in Paris, I'm gonna put his website in the bio. And we must support small businesses. He's also from Ohio, so we have to have something good coming out of Ohio. Before I go to sleep, I wanna do a haul of what I got at the little booths. This one that I think is like a collar. This lace, this one, and then this one. I'm really excited about these. I don't know what I'm gonna use them for, but I'm excited to use some antique Parisian lace in my design. I had one more sentence.
Oh, my sorry.
Quiet on set! Wait, what was I saying? Oh no, I was saying I bought—
You were saying just say sprinkles.
I'm trying to remember my train of thought. I was saying I must get back into my focus mode. I bought these to use in my designs. I don't know when or how I'm going to use them. All I know is that some of my future designs are going to feature some antique Parisian lace. And that's cool. And I also got this art print that Gabby pointed out. And then the lady gave it to me for free because I bought so much lace. So that was really cool.